Hello everyone, this is Evan Brosman with NewsLink Indiana Web Weather here in the beautiful studio backstage. Jumping into my forecast tonight, we're going to get down to a low of 22, and then the clouds will start to thin out just a little bit tonight, and it'll be very cold temperatures with winds from the west-northwest at 9 miles per hour. Jumping at precision cast temperatures, on Friday at 6 p.m., Muncie will be at 25 degrees, with Indianapolis at 28 and Chicago at 29. Fast forwarding into Saturday early morning, Cleveland will be at 29, Muncie at 22, Indianapolis at 24, and St. Louis in the 30s at 30. Then jumping into late Saturday at 4 p.m., Muncie will be at 32, Indianapolis just a few degrees warmer at 34, Terre Haute just a few degrees cooler at 29, and Chicago at 30. Then on Saturday night, Muncie will be at 27 with Cincinnati at 31, Evansville at 31, and Indianapolis at 28. Jumping into the almanac, today we had a high of 31 and a low of 22. Looking at the average, we are way below the high and low, with the average at 53 and the low at 35. With the record high being set in 1955 at 77 degrees and the record low at 10 degrees in 1986. Jumping into precision cast, you can see the clouds moving off from the east, pushing east, and then you can see from the west we got some clouds coming, which might bring in some precipitation. Jumping into headlines, it's going to be colder than usual, and make sure you bundle up, but it'll be dry but very cold. And then jumping into the weekend, on Saturday we'll have a high of 35. It'll be mostly sunny, but as we get into the night, we'll have a 70% chance of snow. Then on Sunday, we'll have a high of 34 with mostly cloudy skies, and that percent of snow goes down to 50%. Then jumping into the 7-day forecast, on Friday, it'll be sunny and cold with a high of 33. Then on Saturday, it'll be mostly cloudy with a high of 35 and a low of 21. On Sunday, it'll be very cloudy with a high of 35 and a low of 28. On Monday, it'll be a high of 35 and a low of 28 as well. Then on Tuesday, we're going to start cooling down to a high of 31 and a low of 15. On Wednesday, it'll be the coldest day of the week with a high of 25 and a low of 17. Then on Thursday, it'll start to warm up just a little bit to a high of 31 and a low of 22.